Yeah, he is frustrated. He is frustrated, he is lost, and he does not knows what to do in Telangana. Because people of Telangana believe in the composite culture, people of Telangana vouch for the Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb, and in Telangana we have governance according to the constitution. People are governed by rule of law. People are not being killed over here in the name of cow. In Telangana, Gaurakshaks do not have that same freedom to kill anyone as in BJP ruled states. In Telangana, a girl and a boy can talk to each other. They are not harassed or beaten up. In Telangana, no videos are taken out of brutality. So that is why there is a proper peace in Telangana. For last 4.5 years, there has been no communal riot. That is the frustration of Mr. Amit Shah. That how come in last 4.5 years nothing of these sort of incidents happened. So that is why he is frustrated. I would request him to please don't shout so much. Please take care of your health. He's shouting at so much of volume. Owaisi is a servant of people of Telangana. I want to know from Mr. Amit Shah, why are you dancing according to the tunes of Gaurakshak? Why are you not taking action against these people who are harming the youth of the country? You are dancing. You are trying to make India a Raj of RSS. That is why people of Telangana are completely opposed. That we will not allow RSS or its sister organizations to do what they are doing in BJP ruled states.